Nothing beats the advantages of using customized machinery in your production line. Add in the rapid integration of AI and machine learning, and it's hard for most businesses these days not to take the next step. Here are the most common custom automation benefits for your business. Decrease production times. Time is money, and this type of machinery will save both. Automated machines work much faster than humans, but implementing customized machines can increase the speed difference even further. Improve product quality control. When you optimize a system to work specifically with the products you create, it will lead to a better product. While some additional tuning may be required to create perfect products every time, using a system customized to your company's process is the best place to start. Lower overall costs further. By combining the advantages of improved efficiency and better quality products, your business will see significant increases in your overall profits. Plus, your customized machines will use your product materials and resources more efficiently, decreasing production-based expenses. Make further adjustments easier. Since you initially crafted the system with your products and processes in mind, making minor adjustments to better attune them to your goals will be easier. This will lead to a much more desirable experience with greater performance and agility. From industrial to consumer goods to life sciences, Eclipse Automation, part of Accenture, has done it all, including electric vehicle assembly automation solutions. No matter what your business produces, Eclipse can help you get the most out of your customized automation machinery. For more information, please visit eclipseautomation.com.